if you are always on the search for the best eateries in Metro Manila and beyond. To the uninitiated, Carinderias are typically open-air eateries that employ a toro-toro, literally point-point system where you point to a dish to order. Please visit 8th Avenue, Caloocan for one of the best Carinderias in the Metro Manila, Tony's Restaurant. Tony's Restaurant is a Chinese-type Carinderia located in Grace Park, Caloocan City. It's not common to find a Chinese Carinderia in the metro and even in the entire country, and the only one restaurant in Caloocan City famous for serving the best soup number 5 or Gokong soup in town. Tony's Restaurant is one of the best Carinderias you need to try in life, and the dishes are overall delicious. Also, many of their dishes are uncommon for a Carinderia, making your visit to Caloocan City worth your time and drive. Tony's Restaurant both serves Chinese and Filipino dishes. Here are some of their best-selling menu. Nilagang Tadyang beef rib soup, Gokong, Kiampong, Kinilaw na Talaba oyster ceviche, adobong balunan gizzard adobo, beef sat, seats aro guisado sautéed snow peas, takwa guisado sautéed tofu. This will definitely is one of top 5 food spots for 2025. Needless to say, we highly recommend Tony's Restaurant to you. Address: 8th Avenue, Grace Park East, Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Operating hours: Monday, Saturday, 9 a.m., 8 p.m. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.